here we got the next part of this model, the Logan hand. We got 3 blades coming out of a closed fist. Probably yes. Just drop this surface onto your bed. I'm not sure why maybe my Cura is not the latest version, but yeah, 4.3. I think there's a newer one, but there is in the rotation a ability to snap this model surface to the build plate, which is over here. I'm gonna have to look into that. But anyways, I'm not gonna lay this flat onto that surface. Anyways, I'm gonna try to get these pointed straight upwards, which I think will make it print better. So first thing I'm gonna do is try to straighten this model out, so when I do a rotation it will move the way I want it to. Let's get this thing pointing straight up. Arrange our model. So now I got my blades going straight up. Now that's not a good angle there. It will print, but I don't have much surface contact here. I think I'll go against my better judgment, and I want to get this so that it will slice without these having supports. So I kind of got to watch this last angle here. You also have the thumbs. You see our thumbs here. That's going to start getting supported somewhere around here, across here. Probably our fingers. See, these fingers stick out straight also. So all this hand is going to be supported. Which this is pointing towards his face in this particular model, so you're not going to really see these contact points. So I think that's alright. You're going to be looking at this, not anything on the inside. So I'm going to slice this, straighten this out as much as I can. I could tilt this back a little bit, get rid of some of the supports on there, but I'm gonna go with, I hate that, nothing really here, but if it's gonna fail, it's gonna fail early. I keep my eye on it. If it does fail, come back and roll this back a little bit. I'm going to pause this and we'll see what the supports look like when I slice this. So we came up with a 5-hour print, which is not bad, a little bit less than I was expecting. This is what we have for supports all along the fingers, the whole bottom supported here. It's got a nice raft underneath it. Didn't need any supports in the blades. So we're going to save this and see if I'm right. I'll give you guys the results when it's finished.